Okay, so in today's video we're going to go over some of the Arcis AI setups from today, the 4th of May 2026. So we're inside the platform here, and if you are a pro member, I'm going to go over the best setups to actually use every day when you're getting started with the platform. You can sign up for a 14-day free pro trial via the link in the description. So let's get into the video. So you can see over here some of the setups currently today. I've done some updates on the platform over the weekend. I got the MT5 connection all done. So I can now connect that to my trading platform and automate the setups. So you can see in the right hand side here in the demo section, I also updated it. So all these trades that are waiting are my Arcis weekly and Arcis daily. If you are starting with a platform, these are the best setups to choose. This is based on my own trading system that I've traded for the past 18 years. So literally into the platform, I put 18 years of experience, everything I know about the markets into the platform. I've trained the AI through the custom strategy builder, how to actually read the markets, like I analyze the markets and come up with trade setups. So if you've been a member or watched my videos for any amount of time, the setups that the platform produces in the Arcis and Arcis weekly and Arcis daily section of the platform is based on my own trading style. So today's trades, we have the daily trades. These update once a day, 6 a.m. GMT. And the weekly setups once every week on the market open. So as soon as the market opens, GMT, 10 o'clock in the UK, it will analyze the markets and come up with setups for the week ahead. And then the daily will come up with daily setups. So you can see down here the setups that are active. We can now manage the setups. So for auto trading, you can select auto manage, and as it's going through the different TP1, TP2, and TP3, it will be taking profit off the table. So we can auto manage all positions from the platform. So all these setups that are waiting are my Arcis, again, Arcis weekly and Arcis daily setups. We can now expand. So if we want to select a setup, so just let's see some that are active so far. British pound Aussie, that was an Arcis daily setup today. We are on daily. We'll just scroll down. This was the setup here. We can now expand the charts. I'm working on some more updates for the charting just to make it more interactive. And you can see where this is here from the entry. So there's entering down here, down into the entry around the European Open. And it's been moving slowly towards TP1. We are 20 pips off TP1 at the minute. I'm moving nicely up 30 pips. So the chart now, when you open the chart, you can now minimize it. You can go here, maximize it, and it will actually track every single trade that becomes active. So it will track it like this. The red is obviously when it's below the entry price or above the entry price if you're selling, and green is when it's heading towards its target. Has the setup card up here, pretty cool, interactive. And again, I will be doing some new updates with this. Now for the first few weeks using the platform, now in the right hand panel, it will track every single setup it takes every day, and you'll be able to track the performance of all the built-in strategies here. So Arcis weekly is one of my ones, and then the ones that are up here. So if you're familiar with these strategies, you can use them. And if you are going to use them, the setups to use are the ones that say elite. So if we just pull up Euro Aussie today, it was an elite setup. We'll see where it is. We'll maximize the chart. scroll in. I will be doing auto scroll on this. You can see it was moving down toward, it actually hit, more or less hit TP1, and now it's above the entry. And euro, you can see where this hit here, it hit our entry point here, and it is being tracked on the way down. So at the end of the day, that will track in the performance to see where it ends up. All day trades we close at the end of the trading day. If we move over to scalp, similar thing. You want to take top setups above 80% and the ones with preferably the 4 stars. You can pull up the signal card. You can read the confluence. You can read the fee score, which is the new feature I added last week, which tracks the volatility across all time frames. This is based on an indicator that I used for years when I was scalping the markets, and it is very good for spotting continuation setups at support and resistance, supply and demand, or buy and sell zones, and also for reversals at the similar levels. Let's move that. We will currency strength, so it's tracking the strength of every currency, and you can see that here. You can also see retail sentiment here. We could pull up the British pound Aussie. So it was a scalp trade looking to sell. We'll just pull that up. It's nearly spiked up to the stop loss. The entry price is the white line, and it is green at the minute. So scalp trades, they scan every hour for new setups. Day trades 3 times a day, which are really just session trades, which means we are trading each session and see if new setups appear at the start of every trading session. Again, all daily setups you want to close at the end of the trading day. Over here, if you want to test the setups, you can simply just say sell, come here, you can select execute, and then you can place the order. I have the platform connected to my MT5, so I'm not taking that. Again, the setups I take is based on my own methods. And pro members, elite members, you can customize and teach the AI your own trading system and how you train the markets. So you can start to chat with it here, explain how you enter the markets. It will ask you a few questions. It will build a plan, and basically at the end of it will come up with, is this how you trade? You'll go through the points. If it is, you'll select apply, and it will actually train the platform to trade like you. So you probably have to do this a few times just to get it right. So you have to train it. It took me a while to train my setups, but you just actually have to train the AI how you trade the markets. So we are using Claude and ChatGPT integration with that. And signals again. We've got swing trades. They rescan the markets every day. So once a day at the end of the US and start off the Asian session. And we can see the first setup today was on the Aussie Kiwi, 4 stars for a swing setup. Looking the they're down here, more or less to the pip, and it's heading nicely up towards TP1. Swing trades you keep open. You can keep open for days and longer. CAD, Swiss franc, it was a buy setup today. We just maximize the charts. It's kind of been range bound all day, but this is a swing setup. British pound CAD. So that was a Friday. We haven't hit that yet. So Friday setup was up here at 185.300. We are nowhere near that yet. Kiwi CAD. You can see the entry up here today. This was the start of the day, and you can see it's moving nicely. So you can see pretty clearly when you are in the platform, you can see the setups that are 4 stars, most confluences. You'll kind of see how they work. Test them. All you have to do to test them again is just select buy, execute. So for swing trades, you want to be looking at the start of the day, which setups are there. Day trades, start of each session. Scalp, every hour you have to be more active. So up here, when you do have your MT5 connected with Elite tier, you'll just select enable. You can select the quality, how many setups. So if you select 5, it will take the top 5 setups on whatever type of trade you want to trade, swing, scalp, or day. So I like day for it. Again, for Arcis, for auto trading, you just hit this button here, select auto, and it will copy all the setups into the demo and start trading them. So that is a breakdown of the signal system, how it works, some results today so far, going nicely with the new updates, well, big updates I done last week in the platform. This week we are working on the charting and some other cool features, which will be updated towards the end of the week or maybe even on the weekend. So we'll see how it goes. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And to access your free 14-day pro trial, just click the link in the description area, and I shall see you on another video tomorrow. I'm going to try and do video updates every day on the platform, the results, and how to best use it. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and also see you on another video. Will.